In this step-by-step tutorial, I will teach you how to verify your Pinterest with your Wix website. This process involves 3 main steps, and we will walk through each one together. We will start off by acquiring the necessary HTML tag from your Pinterest business account. First, you would need to log into your Pinterest business account. Once you're logged in, navigating to the Settings option is your next step. Within the settings, there's a section called Claimed Accounts accessible from the navigation panel on the left side. Once you've clicked on that, you'll see an option to Claim next to the Websites section. Clicking on this Claim button will present you with a text box. Inside this box, there's an HTML tag that you need to copy. To do this, simply click on the text. On text, it will automatically copy the meta tag for you. With the meta tag now copied, it's time for us to add it to your Wix website. To start, log into your Wix account. After logging in, find and navigate to your site's SEO settings. This is where you'll insert the meta tag. Within the SEO settings, locate the SEO Tools option and click on it. Now, you'll see Site Verification as one of the options under these tools. Click on the Site Verification option and then proceed to select Pinterest from the list. Here, you will need to paste the meta tag that you copied earlier from Pinterest. Simply paste it into the field provided. Finally, to save and apply the changes you've made, just click the Save button. Lastly, we have to verify the site on Pinterest. For this final step, navigate back to the Pinterest page where you initially copied the meta tag. At this stage, you will see a Continue button. Go ahead and click on it. You'll see a text box asking for your website's URL, so type yours in. To start the verification process, proceed by clicking the Verify button. Just a few moments later, your verification should be completed. When you see a Done button appear, it means verification is successful. Clicking Done finalizes the process. And with that, we've successfully linked and verified your Pinterest account with your Wix website. Remember, verifying your Pinterest account with your website is essential as it boosts your credibility and increases the visibility of your pins. It's a relatively straightforward process, and I'm confident that following these provided steps will make the experience smooth and efficient. So take a moment to go ahead and try it out yourself. And happy pinning!